Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET for another brand new news. It's been nearly 2 years since OnePlus last released a T version of flagship phones. The last one was OnePlus 10T, debuting at October 2020. That phone worked perfectly well, but it wasn't as innovative as previous OnePlus T models. However, the company is probably trying to repeat past successes now that the OnePlus 10T will be available this year. The OnePlus 10T is expected to have premium features like Qualcomm's newest flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen OnePlus chip, as well as more traditional features like super fast charging and a display with a high refresh rate. It is likely to use the OnePlus 10 Pro as a template. But since the launch of the OnePlus 10T is scheduled for August 3, we won't have to wait long to find out what the company has in store and whether it will return to producing competitively priced smartphones with excellent specifications. The OnePlus 10T will be officially launched on August 3, with an in-person event taking place in New York City. That will make it the first in-person launch since the OnePlus 7T back in 2019. The launch will be live streamed and you will be able to watch that on the OnePlus YouTube channel. We believe pre-orders will likely go live on the same day, with the phone about to be released a week or so later. OnePlus has not yet clarified when the phone will be available for pre-order or release. Be aware that the OnePlus 10T may not be accessible as the OnePlus 10 Pro because it may be an invite-only release. So let's talk about the price of the device. The potential cost of the OnePlus 10T has not been confirmed by OnePlus. However, given that it's going to have a high-end Snapdragon chipset, we predict that its price will be higher than some of the mid-range phones. Let's talk about the design. The OnePlus 10T has a teaser image, but it doesn't reveal a lot about the design of the device. From what we can tell, it resembles the OnePlus 10 Pro in large part and have a gently carved body and matte finish on its back. With the OnePlus 10T, we predict OnePlus will opt for a 6.7-inch screen with the 120Hz panel that can dynamically adjust based on refresh rate. Given the impressive display on the OnePlus 10 Pro and the likelihood that the 10T will use the same AMOLED panel, we don't anticipate any significant changes in this area. However, it wouldn't surprise us if some color and contrast adjustments were made to help the screen better adapt to the various types of contents it will be showing. The cameras on the 10T have not yet received any word from OnePlus. However, according to one rumor, the rear camera array will also include 8MP and 2MP cameras, which are most likely to be ultra-wide and depth sensor cameras. The 48MP main, 50MP ultra-wide and 8MP telephoto cameras on the OnePlus 10 Pro would all experience a cumulative downgrade as a result. Given that OnePlus is promoting performance and evolution with the 10T, we don't anticipate a camera downgrade. That is unless it intends to produce a less expensive handset, which most likely wouldn't be compatible with a high-end Snapdragon chip. Regardless of the specifications, we are hoping OnePlus has improved the software to make its flagship phone cameras even better. Although the OnePlus 10 Pro produced some impressive phone photography, we believed its cameras couldn't match those of the iPhone, Google or Samsung. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.